Hello everyone, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you demonstration for a new project, for new AI based project, which is AI based fake news detection system using Python and NLP. This is again AI ML project using NLP and Python as a technology. And what will be the workflow of the application? We can submit a text as an input, some news, and then it will give us a return. Okay, so what will be the workflow of the application? It will collect the data, it will process the text, it will interact with a trained model and then evaluate the result and deploy the result. So it will give a probability or verdict like that's news, that news is fake or real news. I will put this link in a description box so you can directly go over there and check the all the details about the project. And let's move to our Visual Studio Code and run the application. In my case, it's already running, so I'm going to stop the server for now and I'm going to rerun it. Also, in case if you buy this project, and this is a paid project, so if you are planning to buy it, you can buy, and you can connect us over the WhatsApp or Skype or Teams, and we will give you complete source code. Also will help you to set up the project at your machine, and once the code one team will done the configuration, you will get the project in this state, and then you have to pass this command, which is also be available into your readme file. So you will see in some time on the Chrome, uh, the project is launched, and this is your home page. This is the input box, and this is analyze news button. So you have to enter some news here, then click on the analyze news. So let's say I have some list of fake news and real news, so I'm just going to just copy this. One more thing, you need to provide the detailed news. It means some paragraphs or some detailed news about the topic. In this input box, click on analyze news, and it will start the models and say this is a fake news. Okay, and this is a fake news list. Let's move into the some real news. Let's say these are the real news we have. NASA announced, I guess, yeah, real news. So let's say I'm going to move this, and I'm going to refresh it. Okay, then I'm going to put this text and click on analyze. Now you can see it's 99% real news. So in this way, this project is working, and it's running over the streamline, and we have different classification model that's going to help us, and keras is there, transflow is there, nlp is there. So in case you need the source code, just connect to the code one over the WhatsApp or mail. Our team will help you also, will help you to set up the project at your machine. Thank you.